How to fix CapCut app crashing. If the CapCut app is crashing or having issues, you can just go ahead and open up your app store first of all. Go to the search bar and type in CapCut and make sure that the CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Next, what you could also do is exit out, go to settings on your device. Then you want to go to apps, locate CapCut from the list and make sure to toggle off, or you could just go ahead and start clearing your cache as well. Now, if you have at least 1 to 3 GB for of free speech on your device, as video editing is resource intense, you could just go ahead and make sure to free up your storage as well. Next, you could also go ahead and restart your device. So hold on to your side button and then restart. That can also be able to help. If nothing works out, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and clear out your storage, as this can be one of the major issue. So you could just go ahead and make sure to clear up storage, and that should also be able to help. If nothing works out, you could simply reinstall the CapCut app and see whether that will be able to solve the issue or not. So this way you're supposed to fix your CapCut app crashing. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.